Hey guys, how are you? This is Sahil, and in today's video we'll be solving contains duplicate problem on LeetCode. So let's jump into that. Uh, Given an array nums and then return true if the value appears at least twice in the array, and then return false if the element is distinct. Okay, and so we given a couple of examples down there. So if we have any duplicate, then return true, or like anything more than two, like any element which is coming as twice. So we can see that there in example one we have one two times one appear and here, so there's a duplicate in there, so that's why it's true. If you look in the example 2, we don't have anything duplicate appear, so all the array is unique, so that's why it's false, as there's no duplicates in there. If you go to the next one, we have a couple of integers that there which are keep on duplicating that there, so that's why it's true that there. So the way we're gonna approach the problem is we're gonna be using the hash set. So for them kind of problems, they're really good, as like we can create a loop, and then we can like store all of the our like integers or like the elements in the hash set, and then we can see which element we have that there. So if we're adding a new element and then it's already in the hash set, so that means there's a duplicate, and then we can return true for that, and then if not, then we can simply return false. So okay, uh, we will be using hash set uh, integer, I'll say numbers equals to new hash set, and then perfect. So now create a for loop. So a simple integer I is equals to 0, I less than nums dot length, and then increment the I. Perfect. So now we'll see if the hash set contains the nums of I, so which means there's a duplicate, then we'll return true. So now we know that there if in the hash set that there's a number or like an element which is already there and then coming up twice, so that means there's a duplicate, and then we'll return true for that. And if not, then we'll say numbers dot add and then nums of I. So if there's a new number or like an element, so we're gonna add that to the hash set, and then if we couldn't find anything, so simply we're gonna return false, as there's no duplicate elements in there. So now I'll just simply run that and hope that works. Perfect. So now as you can see that there's a duplicacy, so it's just returning true, and then the way it's gonna go, if there's a new number up here, it's gonna check if there's a the number already present in the hash set. If not, then it's gonna print false. And yeah, so that kind of problem is really good for the beginners, and then I really like the problem that there, so I'm gonna give a like up here for that, and then I can also submit that. Boom, perfect. Hope you liked the video, and yeah, see you in the next one now. Cheers.